Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download or install Arbor app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Press on Play Store icon. Click on the search bar and search Arbor app. Click on the Arbor app. Then tap on the install button to begin the download process. The process might take some time. Then tap Open to launch the Arbor app. And this is how you can download or install Arbor app. Thank you for watching the online help guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.